Alright, you guys, so I wanted to play this video because of that one video I just did about the UFO over Florida from Jeff Gerard. Notice how it was like blinking like that, but when we zoom in on it, this object, which this video comes from UFO Casebook, this, I mean, to me is obviously a drone. It does look weird. I mean, has some weird kind of flashing lights to it, but I could definitely see a drone doing this or making, these kind of flashing lights. It doesn't seem hard at all. Just have these different color lights on it. I mean, there's a point where they like freeze frame it, and like you could see like it's probably like a multi-rotor copter or some style, But what I found interesting about it was that when you weren't zoomed in, it looked like just a white flashing light, although it has a bunch of different colors on it. See, so I thought that was kind of interesting, and that we should compare the two. So I mean, I pretty much am going to say that this helps makes me believe that that's what is in fact was seen over Florida by Jeff Gerard was probably a drone, because even with a bunch of lights on it, it still looked like just a white flashing light when you're not zoomed in on it. And here's another picture. You just see it. It has red lights on it and stuff too. But this is obviously a drone. This is from somewhere else. I forget where. But I mean, that's like a drone. It looked like it just shot up into the sky from the ground or whatever. So a short little clip, but still, yeah, I thought the two looked similar, so I just threw this up here. But there's not much more to it. But that's pretty like drone-like to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but that's what I would say. Definitely drone. Now this I thought was interesting because I was going through some footage of some nuclear blasts, and this I thought was kind of cool. So maybe you guys can help me out with this, see what you guys' thoughts are on this. Now they're about to explode an atomic bomb. So just pay attention. Let's see here. Now notice in this shot there is nothing in the sky. Now watch this. Man, that's fucking scary. Actually, I can see that motherfucker coming at you. Now look, watch this. Now look up in the sky. See, there's nothing there right now. But then all of a sudden, these little objects seem to come into frame. So is that like maybe some kind of lens flare reflecting off of some kind of dirt or something on the lens or something? But it's weird because you would think that you would have seen these things before in the other picture, but you don't. Why is that? Does it have something to do with the explosion and like the amount of white light coming off the water or something? I don't fucking know. I just thought it was kind of interesting that they had these little objects up there. Don't know what it is. Probably some kind of lens flare or something. But I said, you know what, man, fuck the UFOs. That blast was cool as shit. I figure everyone's got to see that. It's like, UFO or not, man. Did you guys see that fucking atomic blast? That was fucking crazy. Yeah, but I'm thinking probably something like some kind of like refraction of light and like a water droplet or something on a lens that you just couldn't see before. I don't fucking know. I'm just pulling shit out of my ass now, I guess. But I thought they were pretty cool, and so I put them up there. But even cooler than that was this badass fucking nuclear explosion, man. That's just fucking awesome. And I've heard plenty of times that like UFOs observe nuclear blasts and shit. Oh, how'd you like to see that shit racing right at you, dude? Fuck you. I've died just from the sight alone. I'm like, fuck, it's coming for us. Tell my parents. I hate them. No, I love you guys. Sorry. Yeah, just a big white wall of fucking death coming at us. Now look at them. You see, they even appear to have changed positions. Maybe I'm just insane. I don't know. Well, what do you guys think? Besides the fucking awesomeness of it. Now this one's pretty cool, dude. Check this shit out. Now this comes from Tijuana, Mexico. So at first I was thinking maybe a military exercise or something. But this video is like a half-hour long. And like some of these objects just stay in the same place. And I mean, for you know, like it's fucking... I just don't see it being some kind of military maneuvers. Now, I mean, that's a possibility. But you would think that the like, because one of the lights just through this whole clip we're about to see right here, just basically just fucking sitting there. So I don't see, you know, when you go out and you perform military maneuvers and stuff, you're usually doing some kind of maneuver. I mean, who goes and practices just sitting there? Like, yeah, just sit there for a while. It's fine. Just go ahead and just hover. And I heard trying to hover in a helicopter is actually really difficult. But still. And another thing is like, so could it be trucks on a mountain or something? Could that be like the Poplacu volcano in the background or some shit? And it just exploded some fucking lava everywhere? I don't fucking know. But, he does actually zoom in on the cars below, so you could see like, okay, well, comparing it, speaking, you know, comparatively speaking, they couldn't be like truck lights or car lights on the mountain, because when you look at the headlights down here when he zooms in, they are ridiculously small. So you know, he's a good distance, and I definitely don't see it being a drone. It's way too bright. Obviously, by just the resolution alone, you could tell this is a shitty little camera. What the fuck is that flashing to? Look, what fucking plane just flashes 2 blinks and then it's like, okay, I'm done. It's like, you know, hey, Jim, can you go ahead and put the strobe on for 2? No, that's good. Stop it now. Just let it go. Just 2 flashes. That's it. Roger that. What the fuck is that flashing on the ground too? And what are those other little flashes that are happening? What the fuck is all that crap? That's gotta be some kind of digital fuck up or something.
Two lights, see it one more time.
See now here, look at the car headlights. You see, there's no way, there's not even a comparison on those two. Like, it's way too bright to be like car headlights on a mountain. I'm not even sure if there's like mountains around Tijuana. I don't know, maybe. Like, that one light is still just sitting there right in the fucking middle. I mean, what kind? I mean, is his like superior like, just stay there? Okay, come on, Jim, you got it. Just hold it in place right over Tijuana. Is that what they do? Maybe they do that. I don't know. Jim, you stay right there perfectly still. All right. Jack, you circle around very slowly. Excellent maneuvers, boys. Oh. God damn it. What's that little asshole doing down there at the bottom? See, he doesn't know how to do maneuvers. Like, God damn it. Frank, what, you're fucking up? Wait, why the fuck you way down there? And why'd you turn your lights off? Get back up here, Frank. You're fired. Where did Frank go? Now it appears that fucking Jim is slowly drifting to the side. See, right there, now you've just failed your test, Jim. You see that shit? You can't stay in one place, and you failed miserably. Give me your fucking captain's badge and get the fuck out of here. It's a dishonorable discharge. He's still just sitting there, just fucking floating. What fucking kind of maneuver is this? I'm just saying. If this is military maneuvers, how come they're not doing maneuvers? They just sent one asshole up there. Come on, Jim, you can do it. Sit up there and just float for a while. Now, what the fuck is this? And now, this makes me think, I'm like, could this be a volcano and this is a fucking it like erupted? Could that be a possibility? Is there a volcano around Tijuana? I should probably research more shit before I post a video, but I just want to get this shit up. I'm just saying. Right? What the fuck is that? And it was like that earlier, and then it went away, and now it's like that again. So, what the fuck? I mean, if it's is it the moon? What the fuck is that? This is a fucking interesting video, I'll tell you what, man.
Look at this. It's like una gran llamarada.
What the fuck? That one light just sitting there and still, dude. What the fuck? See, what do you guys think? You think that could be a fire or some shit? All right, this next video is from somewhere in South America or something, so I'm gonna have Mac translate it for us.
There's three. There's three. There are three. The lighting's pretty strong. It disappeared. There's two now. One was moving around. It's on top of the mountain, on top of the hill. It's moving back and forth like a truck.
It would be funny if you said cough.
There's two. There's one that's moving around. There's one that moves around. It's moving around it. Come and see. Come and look at it. Come and look at it quick. Watch. Watch. See how it dances around? I am watching this. I'm watching it from right here. Ooh. Oh man, it's so bright. It gave me some goosebumps. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It came back. It gave me goosebumps. It's right there. Look, look. It's right there. Get it bright. Get it bright. If they come looking for you in the nighttime, there's two. Yo, you needed the refer. And it's right there. I can't see it no more. Come help me find it. I can't find it at all. I can't see it. It's right there. No. I can't see it. I can't see it. In the bottom? In the bottom? I see it. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there next to the pole. I can see it. It's next to the pole again. To the pole.
Alright, well, I want to thank Mac for helping us out with that. It was a fucking awesome video, dude. I thought it was pretty cool. What do you guys think it could be? Just let me know in the comment section. Also, before we go, I want to give a real big shout out to my man Raware Bush, UFO bro, for supporting me on Patreon. You're the fucking shit, man. I love you, brother. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys next time. UFO Proof out.